Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download MyWhoosh. So depending what you are using. So I'm on a computer. So what you're going to do is head over to the official website mywhoosh.com and you will see something like that. Okay, so basically you will need to create an account if you don't have it already. After you have it, you will see here at the top or here at the bottom download now. So if you click on download, you will be redirected right over here. And as you can see now, you have a few options. So you have iOS, Android, MyWhoosh, MyWhoosh HD. So this is for Windows. Basically, HD is for high-spec gaming PCs. Then you have Mac OS, Apple TV, and so on. Now, as you already know how to download basically iOS and Android apps, you can also use official Apple App Store or Google Play Store to download the app. Now, for the Windows, just press here download button. You will be redirected here to Microsoft Store and just hit here download, and just like that you will get an app onto your computer where you will use the same account that you created right here in a web page. Something like that you will see then after you have your account under the profile settings. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.